What up, my boys? We are doing an install today. It's gonna be a pretty simple one. It's your mirrors. Now, if you have a side mirror in your WRX, you probably, or maybe an STI, you notice that when you're lowered or something like that, you get these trucks and SUVs that just really blind you while you're driving. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna find a tripod, which I can't find. But anyways, we're gonna find something so you can hold the camera. Then we can also check out the what the difference between is with the like the regular mirror, which is right here. We have the regular mirror, and we're gonna compare it with the new one from Suma Performance. I have it right here, and show you how easy it is to remove this and put this bad boy in. A little bit better, I'm gonna kind of put the mirror kind of like in this position and kind of show you what you can kind of see. We'll do it by the door handle, and you can, let me zoom in a little bit. You can see that much, right? But when we replace it, and all you really need to do is yank it, and it's held by clips. So if you yank it, there are, let's see if you guys can see that. There are these two kind of tabs that basically hook it up, and these are the push tabs. So you pretty much want to take it out from the bottom and then release it. Now these two wires right here, guys, are going to be the heater elements. And the heater elements is just for when you turn on your defrosters, it'll heat the mirrors up. So that's coming in handy on a condensation day. So there you go right there. Look at it, boys. Very, I mean, this is nice. It shows some words right here on the side. Woo. So you can see the new one has the heater elements. You can kind of see right through it. So that's good that this still retains the heater elements. And it has two more additional wires, because let me see if I can show you guys. It's very hard to see the turn LED, which is nice. But there's actually a turn signal LED in here. Like, you guys can't even see it. Like, I can't see it either in person. It's okay, you guys can't see it, but yeah, it's very hard to see. Let me see. I can kind of see it. There it is. Catches the light just right. You can kind of see the LED already. Anyways, let's do a quick comparison of what the difference in viewing angles, because you want performance. So I'm going to keep the y-axis very similar and just move up. You can see that. Let me pull back a little bit. So there you go right there. So you definitely do see more. Get close. And then we'll do the rear mirror. So this will be more indicative of like the use case scenario. So I'm having it, my arm fully extended, and then looking out, I can see the ladder. Do the same test. Let it extend out, and yeah, you can't see the. You can't really see the ladder unless I tilt it like this. You start not seeing it. There's definitely a difference when it comes to viewing. Like, you can get me in it and the ladder very easily. It's a subtle, like, it's a increment change where it is noticeable, but it's not too bizarre where you're like, whoa, what the heck. There you go, there's the change again. So let's plop in these bad boys real quick. All right, so we took these clips off right here. It was a matter of just snapping it off. And now we're gonna use these wires to tap into. Now, it might vary for your look, but for mine, it's gonna be these two wires. Basically, there's two wires for these blinkers, and we're just gonna have to tap into them so we can get some power off these mirrors. Ugh. So here are the clips, very easy. And let's kind of give it a go, a little dry run. Taps, it's a matter of just getting this, putting the original in, and then let's say the wire is like this wire is up there that you want to splice into, and you just kind of feed it through this hole and then clamp it down, and you'll be set right here. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna see how it looks like on the mirror. Whoa! Alright, so we have the wires, and we just clamp this clip in Now I'll try to do this one-handed. You want it in there good. So that's one of my wires. Then I have to get the second wire. Make sure it's nice and snug. And then do the other wire. So I have the 2 wires, only 2 wires, pretty simple. And let me open my doors and bam, look at that. Woo, what is, the lighting is super sharp and clean. I like the vibrancies. And you have my turn signals too. That's it's a little bit, it's definitely brighter, but because of the way the color setup is, it's going through the mirror. Oh man, definitely if you're gonna do some turn signals, people better be able to see you. So it's gonna be great for visibility. You know, it's sunny outside right now in California, but that's definitely, you'll be able to see that in the daylight. Okay, for safety. Woo, that's sexy. All right, so just let's tuck this up, wrap it up. The install on the other side is just as simple. Out of 5 stars, 5 being the hardest. This is definitely a number 2 job. It's not like a simple screw on, but it's very easy. Put this cap back on. Ooh. So we got the mirrors in. That pretty much concludes the install. If you guys were looking for Convex mirrors with blue tint, now again, you want the blue tint so it prevents glaring at night, then go with the Suma Performance. I'm gonna put down a link below where you can get these. The install was nice. All the equipment they came with, like the taps, they work great. You can probably get this done within 10 minutes if you're just gonna do the mirrors, then another 15 minutes for the wiring. So if you're looking to do the wiring and you already have it in the blinkers, it should take you like 15 minutes. Now it's really hot outside, so I'm gonna wrap this up. The WRX, if you guys stay this long, the WRX is getting sold, so this is gonna be my last final mod on the car, and I'm gonna miss it. But hopefully you guys got a bunch of information down. If you can tell, I already got the newer car behind me. It's a Tesla Model S Performance, so it's no joke. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys still stay tuned for more content. I'll still be doing a lot of content when it comes to Subaru, like WRXs, and also Android head units on WRX, Subarus, Universals, and you know, the BRZ and all that. So if you guys were hanging in my channel for WRX content, there'll still be some trickles. The car is already pretty much done a long time ago, so when it comes to modifications. But if you guys stay tuned, you'll see more of this, and you'll see more Android head units. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.